Stop.
Oh.
Hands up. Lift your t-shirt.
Don't tickle me. Has it decreased?
How many kilometers did you run?
4 kilometers I ran. 10 minutes, 10 seconds.
Which route?
No one wrote only.
Is it true, Appu? I know it's lie. My Appu don't lie.
He's your pet, right?
I don't even know when will you change. I simply keep just dreaming about it.
You can dream whatever you want. But please keep Salman Khan little away. If I try to make six-pack, then later on you have to pack me up. I'm very much hungry, darling. Please give me something to eat. It's been ages since I ate idlis.
No matter what you say, no idlis and chutneys for you. Only bitter gourd juice.
Oh my God.
And you just keep eating everything you like and look at you how you are.
What is wrong in my looks, you tell me, darling?
What is wrong? You look like a pig swallowed python. You can be used like a scarecrow in a garden.
Her eyes are so much dangerous. Bitter gourd. Because of this guy, I am not able to eat 2 delicious idlis also properly. Bro, if you show muscles in cinemas, you'll get in crores. If this poor Keshav master shows muscles, means what will he get?
Take it. It is for nervous system. Eat it. And later go to the school.
Huh? Still you haven't lost belief in me, right? Hey, these people are calling me always to act in the advertisement of this product.
Then you'll be very popular in this town.
What is it? If you increase the doses, I will not be seen anywhere.
If it's so you can die, I can take care of it.
Huh?
Paying cash, I have bought washing machine. Still, I only have to wash everything. Electricity bill will increase. Jacket's hook will go off. Sari color will fade. Always these complaints only.
Why are you keeping that on your shoulders?
If I keep it down, ants will bite. If I keep it on head, lice will bite.
The way you're talking is like as if I have some sugar complaints with me. Huh?
I just told for rhyming sake, Vasu.
Okay, finish this fast. There is lot of work in the kitchen.
Her big kitchen.
1, 2, lunchtime. 3, 4, lunchtime. Lyrics that I spit to make rain turn to sunshine. Hit him with the punchline, catch him on the blind side. Fillet the and But you gotta wait, thought you were home free. But I'm back, now your eyes closed so slowly. I move quickly, you so sickly. Bubblegum rapper, you such, you gotta wait.
What are you thinking?
Yes, Vasundhara. Sometimes I keep thinking that in my previous birth I was a cook. Sometimes I think I was a laundry boy.
Oh,
Sometimes I think I am a sweeper.
whatever it is, you're a lucky man. In this birth, you've got all of this together, no?
Yes. In my previous birth, if I was a girl...
What do you mean? What else are you in this birth?
You keep quiet. You don't respect me at all.
How can I respect you? See, don't be so lazy like this. Finish all the work and leave to office first.
Yeah, big office. It's fine if I go at any time. But here, it is not like that, no.
Is the breakfast ready?
Yes.
Huh.
London Bridge is falling down. London... Shall I put? No need. I only have to wash. Who's there? Driver, let's go. Come on, fast. Let's go to station. My hands are pricking. Come on, fast.
Yeshode! Ayyo, that was my coat! I had only one coat!
If you're not going to the court, why do you need the coat? The kind of work you do doesn't have a particular dress code. It doesn't matter what you wear. You can go without wearing clothes also.
What work is that?
Oh, do you want me to tell that? Despite of embarrassing me, you're showing attitude. See what I'll do now.
Yeshode, don't do that!
I will end all your drama today. If I ask you to buy me a sari, you say you're always busy. If someone else asks you to buy something, the whole sari shop is here.
Oh, Yashoda, listen to what I have to say. That's the evidence that I have to submit to the court. Yesterday they have kept it in my car and they forgot. See, if you do this, he will lose his job.
They have not even removed the sticker. Is this evidence? You do all kind of nonsense, but pose like a decent fellow in front of people. I am mad, I'm the one who doubts.
Good morning.
Here he comes.
Oh, started fighting with his wife. I only have to save him now. Hey, Mr. Lawyer, who gave you LLB certificate? You are keeping all the evidence on the car. Don't you have brains?
Don't fool me like this. If this is evidence, why don't you keep it in your Jeep's boot?
Oh, look, sister. You want to burn car as well as the cloth, right? If it is my wife, she will wrap this cloth around my neck and she will burn me off. Okay, I will leave. You stupid lawyer.
Who is this at this time? Oh, is it Geeta? Manju, come have a look. Come inside.
Sister.
Oh my God. Why are you crying? Don't worry, we all are here. Manju, please take her inside.
Come. Have you taken any decision regarding Geeta? I'll have to tear all this and throw it away.
Hey, don't do that. It is actually college students' future.
Think of the family first. Think of others later on. Why don't you talk to them once personally?
Why would I actually speak with them? Always the same thing. Dowry, family feuds, arguments with mother-in-law. At last it comes until kids issue.
Poor girl. When I think of her, I feel if she had a kid, she wouldn't have so much problems. There should be at least one reason to live right. I'm afraid if she takes some wrong steps.
I've had a conversation with Balan many times. Let him come. I'll have a word with him. According to me, this problem has just one solution. They have to adopt a child or else end their relationship.
Oh, this was the idea you were about to give?
In that case, you can do one thing. You tell me Balan's mother's name and her exact address, including pin code.
Why do you need that?
To write an anonymous letter.
Oh, you're literally killing me.
This Pamba Shaker, before giving the money, he has learned to how to take it back. Since the day one, I'm telling you, you should pay the interest properly. You bloody idiot! I will go to court. I will go to the police station if you do this drama again and again. I'll show you who the Xavier is.
Bomb Savior. Why have you reduced when you have King Cobra and Anaconda? Why this normal snake? You could have increased the poison, right?
If you kill them in one shot, there'll be no thrill, sir. Kill them inch by inch. Blood will ooze out softly.
Very nice, Bomb. To kill and eat, who are you, man? While joining in the school, just by adding Bomb in your name, you will not become big rowdy. Don't show your strength in front of small kids. If you have guts, hit me. Hit me if you can.
I don't interfere in others' business. If they interfere, I won't leave them, sir.
It's very nice. You think you're Rajinikanth? See now what I do. Come, let's go. How many times I've told you not to show all these things? Where you had hidden this, man?
I have everything.
Come, get down and pour it.
Full setup is ready.
Quickly put 2 pegs.
Oh, shut up, sir. In the duty timings. I'm not scared of police anymore. If Vatsundara sister and Cicely comes by this way, all the future death funerals will be done in one single package.
As I'm in uniform, she will never try to hit me. She'll think about it.
If I think about your matters, I'll be laughing alone sometimes. You have a licensed gun and you have a bullet also. But you can't fire anything,
Will
right?
you keep quiet? Man should keep up his words. It's been 8 months. You had told me that you will break her leg, you remember? Simply you're bluffing around with me.
Look, my brother. Since you told me that you're going to come late, I have sent my people to your house. Power cut time. There was something lying like a buffalo. After pushing it so hard and we saw who it was.
Who was it?
It was you. Who else it can be?
Oh my god. Did they beat you?
Hey, they have come inside by working so hard. That's why we just landed some punches, that's
Oh
all.
no, that is the matter. That's why it was difficult to pee around today. Oh no, simply I doubted my dear Vasundhara today. Still it was insulting to me. Without any reasons. If they say they will punch me in stomach.
Listen, if I was in that situation, I would have also done the same.
Hmm?
If you don't have money to buy some shorts, you could have asked me, right? Okay.
Did they shoot in mobile? If it becomes viral, then I will shoot you.
Look at this person, he's going to go viral.
Am I so ugly? Sir, it's the party people who made it big issue, sir. I will come and speak to you personally. Yes, sir, I will come. Commissioner, this person always hits my head. Come start the vehicle.
What about me?
You go somehow. Listen, don't finish it off, okay? Evening we'll call the master and lawyer and we'll drink, okay?
No. Brother!
Whatever it is, we'll speak in the evening.
Brother, listen
okay?
Good morning, sir.
Namaste. What, man? Any quotation?
No, sir, we are going to work.
Okay. Live. Cecily,
I told you to sit and study at home.
I've learnt everything, Cecily. Written imposition also.
Something seems to be wrong.
Nothing, Cecily. I can promise on God, nothing.
Then keep your hand on my head and promise me.
That's all right. I can do it. Your promise.
Do you have only one hand or what?
Okay then. I promise on you.
Keep two hands and promise.
No,
No.
Cecily,
Just take out your hand.
No.
You come here.
No, sorry. No, it hurts.
Sir, do you need any assistance?
No, I don't need anything. This is my wife. This is a family sentiment. You guys just leave.
Okay, boss.
If there is any job, I'll call you.
I'll be ready, sir.
My darling Cecily, when we're inside the house, you do whatever you want. I won't say a thing about it. When we're outside, please don't do like this, please. You're such a sweetheart, right?
Rowdy. Just get out to bike.
Okay. Stand. I'll hold you and sit.
Hey, don't you worry, man. Don't take any decisions in hurry.
What is this? Stop crying and tell us what happened.
His wife Cecily, she's admitted him for degree in Kamaraj University without even informing him.
People are dying to get the admission over there. She wants you to study, not to get spoiled, man.
Even if she does that, I'll tolerate. If she asks me to study today,
If she does,
that day, I will be dead.
Hey, is there any way to cancel the admission without her knowledge? Lawyer.
liar.
Hey, what you're doing there? Come here.
Always like this.
With whom you keep talking always on phone?
This is that my own wife, Yashoda. I don't know who invented this WhatsApp, messages and everything. Where are you? When are you coming? This is the only thing she asked me. Gone case. This is a bigger issue than a mobile with no GPS.
After she sleeps only I am able to go to home. By keeping a dead horse, she always want to go for race. She is so much stubborn. She never allows me to sleep.
Even I have same problem. She doesn't even like me at all. She says I'm not having glamour. She wants to change my teeth also. At this age, she wants me to go to gym and make 6 packs like Salman Khan. She wants me to remove this dress and wear Bermudas and t-shirt like yo-yo kids and wants me to roam around in 100cc bike.
If we allow them to be like this only, they will literally finish us seriously.
As I know, there is only one way to break their attitude.
What is the way?
Drinking like this.
Dark beach.
Good idea.
Do that.
Okay. Don't talk. Enough. Tight it now. Tight it.
Stop. It's enough.
By the way, lawyer, have you finished beautician course along with the LLB?
What are you talking? To paint this blackface, you need to finish a beautician course.
Let this be a beginning. If it is successful, we will do the same thing for the rest of the people also. 1, 2, 3.
Today definitely Vasundhara's hands, legs will be broken.
Let us teach them a big lesson.
You need to hit the Yashoda in head.
Then in that case, I'm going to give Cecily 2 punches and 3 kicks. I'll show her karate. Ask her to come.
Look here, brother. I'm telling you out of my experience. You have to start beating her only after you make sure she's sleeping, okay?
What are you talking, brother? This is a small case. In a locked room, a person is sleeping. That too, it is a woman. After turning off light, you take an iron rod and hit her hands, legs and everywhere. That's all. It's a simple job. Don't you think so?
He is telling that he is going to hit hands and legs, that too for a sleeping lady.
Sure. There is no place for right and wrong over here. This is a battlefield. Here only war.
What type of motivation is this?
Enough. They are going to come now. Come on, get up. This is enough. Brother, all the best to you.
Okay.
Keep one thing in your mind. It's fine with any leg, but hand, it has to be right hand only.
What is that?
I mean,
Stupid.
What are you talking about?
Not you.
He was telling to me.
Yeah, to you only.
What is it?
Listen, otherwise, this guy has to suffer lifelong with her. You understand?
Yeah.
All this.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay then. I'll finish the job and call you. You should come quickly. If not, I'm going to sleep here only.
Okay, let's live.
Leave now.
Good
Go
night.
fearlessly. Jai Jingo. Tambi sir. You said this hand, right? Okay.
He doesn't even know which is right and which is left. I am scared that his hands and legs are going to break off. It's a big an idiot you are. Look at here. See. This is the right hand. This is left hand.
This is left hand.
You have to break this right hand. Okay? Is it clear now?
Yes, I got it.
In case if you have any doubt, the hand which you use to wash your ass, that is the left hand. You remember. Opposite to that hand only is right hand. Do you understand?
Then this is right hand. This is left hand.
Brainy guy, you understood?
Yes.
Now you have to be successful. Remember right hand. What, Thambi? Will this guy do it properly? What to do if our plan gets spoiled?
who is the master brain for this?
Who?
Oh,
Yes, I value Tammy man.
I did not understand.
Listen to me, lawyer. It's confirmed that she's going to come late today. I even know that this idiot will sleep off after some time. I also know that she's going to kill him off today. IPC 302. It's confirmed that she'll get life sentence.
Which section is that? That is a Gunda Act, isn't
you
it?
stupid. Shut up and come.
Eh?
One more thing. What will happen to Xavier?
There is no place for right and wrong over here. This is a battlefield. Only war will happen here. Come on, follow me.
Yo!
Aha, my sugar cane. This is your left hand. This kiss is for right hand. Then now, this is left leg. Okay. I got it. After seeing this doll, I understood properly. Ayo, how do I find out Vasundhara's left hand? Vasundhara's left hand. We'll do it. This is right hand. Oh no, this is left hand.
Appu, this is your favorite auntie's
Come in.
place.
Are you guys happy?
This is a right leg. Let me see. This is left hand. This is right leg. Ayo.
Appu,
I think someone is there in the house.
run Appu,
What
run.
is this? There is a slight earthquake. Is it only one person coming?
I think there is a thief inside.
Appu, search.
Ayo, Sicily. Sicily. Ayo.
Search Appu. Thief. Hit him. Don't leave him.
Hey, sing that line once again.
Happiness.
Hey, not like that. Happiness.
Happiness.
Let's sing for happiness. Yes.
Let us dance with the rhythm. Let us dance.
Let us move with the rhythm. Let us move. We'll enjoy.
Is your officer there?
He has gone for an important meeting.
Happiness. Let's sing
Who
for
are you?
happy. I'm SI Velu Thambi.
What? You're a Thambi? In Janamaitri Nagar, in SI Velu Thambi's house, yesterday night there was a thief. We have taken him to our custody now. The one who gave idea is escaped. You better go and inform your officer. Wherever he tries to hide, he cannot escape from us.
Happiness. Let's sing for happy.
You can never fool me, got it?
Sir, how did you get inside?
I have started on Magic Academy. Will you join? Get inside. You think police station is a playground? Rascals.
Another thing to say. You're supposed to hit her only after she goes to sleep, right?
121.
You tried to tie a girl and hit her. Is this a right way?
There is no right and wrong in this place.
127.
Now tell me,
132.
why did you make the Xavier to do all these things? Huh?
We didn't send him. He has done all this because he was drunk.
139.
He was drunk. He almost weighs around 120 kilos and he looks like a monster. On top of it, black paint. How dare he enter our house? I know him very well. That guy doesn't have any guts to do all this alone.
You are saying as if we are responsible for this.
You don't have to act so smart.
Don't you want to see your friend? The one who scared the whole Janamaitri Nagar? Cicely?
Just by turning off the light, take a iron rod, hit hands, legs and everywhere. That's a simple job.
The monster has turned into a tiny fellow now.
Once again, if you do this, you'll pay for it.
I'll take care of you later.
I'll break your another leg also.
How did this went wrong, Xavier?
Oh, you don't know. Cecily's left hand, right hand, everything got confused.
That is why we tell to hold the clutch. You have to be strong in at least one thing, either in left or in right. Especially rowdies. Do you understand, mental fellow?
To lay down a bypass near the town, we have to start the land acquisition. The cabinet has asked us to finish it very soon. We have to send the notice to every single landowner. How many properties have been listed out?
There are 55 houses and we have sent the notice 2 years back itself.
Any objections?
There are no objections as of now. Anyway, let us find out.
To discuss about the compensation strategy, we need to fix a meeting with MLA very soon.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it with immediate effects. And also give a press release.
Sir. Huh, where's Dad?
He's in the room.
Huh, what Dad? Why the surprise visit?
He got upset after watching TV news.
Oh, is that the case? This is not the first time, right? Huh? This issue is there from many years.
But this news is very shocking to me because I born and brought up here. All of a sudden, how can I leave this place?
Hey, what Dad? Just for this one? Huh. After having 2 pegs, you won't talk like this.
Not like that. Still, how long will I be alive? How can I shift to the new place altogether? You tell me. We are all old people, right?
Dad, because of that bypass project, many people are vacating the houses. Compared to their problems, ours is a trivial issue.
It's all because of your complaint letter. You mentioned traffic jam in a Karakot junction. See what happened now?
Mom, so what should we do for that? Demolishing the house is okay. When the road comes, the value of the remaining property will go up to 4 times. With that amount, we can definitely buy a good property. Don't worry about it.
You trapped from your own complaint.
Okay. Hey, you go over there. I need to give some medicine to Dad.
Okay, I know. For this, right?
Hey, go, my naughty boy.
Go and get some water.
Okay.
Here, just have 2 pegs. You'll forget everything. Only 2 pegs, okay? The remaining bottle is for me.
Is this small bottle for both of us? That is not going to happen. Go bring the
I know
water.
the buffalo is very thirsty. Dad, let's go.
Yeah, I'm coming.
We are also ready.
Where are you guys going?
To see the house?
Oh, you don't have to go over there. We'll go and sort it.
What you're telling is not right. Let her also choose her house. Call an auto and take her also.
That's right. Better you both go and see the house. Because that should be your choice, right?
Hey, leave that, Dad. It won't work out. Both of you are spoiling my wife. Damodar sir is waiting for us. Let us go to the spot.
In that case, you all get inside. We both will see the house. Come, let's
You're
go.
always on your feet following me, carrying your bag unnecessarily.
Okay, come.
Did you like the house?
Yes, yes. Okay, Vijay, leave.
Yeah.
Vijayna, about the documents.
Yeah, I will take care of that.
Dad, do you like the house?
Yeah, go in. It's very nice.
It looks decent.
Nice place for boozing. Is it confirmed?
I think it's almost confirmed. We'll get it registered next week. By the way, who are you?
I'm Thambi. Velu Thambi. Actor. No. I'm SI over here.
Oh,
hello.
He's Xavier Kuber. Businessman.
What happened to your leg?
Road is not proper, right?
I think the road is proper only.
Yeah. You're new to this
Yes,
area,
sir.
right? You'll understand slowly. Whatever it is, it's better you order for this stick. Why?
Before you make any kind of decision, we are not speaking anything. We welcome you to Janamaitri Nagar.
Huh.
See you.
Shall I ask you an important question? Where is the wine shop over here?
Hey, it is right there.
Oh, is it there? Okay.
What is this, Dad?
Simply.
Shh.
By the way, why did he told us to order the steak? Isn't it like mocking something?
What mocking? Just look at the road. Is there any problem with it? Compared to all other roads, this one is much better. I think it is drink and drive case. It does not have your capacity.
Whatever it is, I liked one thing.
What is it?
As SA is our neighbor, need not worry for the thieves.
Oh, thieves are better. They just steal our things. They won't scare us. Why does Dad behave like this? He has no concern about the neighborhood or the location. All he wants is a wine shop nearby, that's it. Huh, Manju? It is bigger than this house. For the four of us, it looks like a palace. The house is a bit old. After getting it painted, it won't be a problem. The outside work can be sorted later on. There's one thing which actually makes you very happy. The kitchen is very beautiful. Trust me. Hey, are you listening to me?
I'm just listening. What else can I do? You will only see the house, you will only decide. Ladies are not supposed to give their opinions, right? That is what your policies are.
I think you've not yet understood me. Who knows about your likings apart from me in this whole world? When I was searching for the house, I knew what your likings were. I can look at the house on behalf of you.
Very first time in our life, we are buying a new house. Any girl would like to go with her husband and look for that new house. Sitting behind your scooter, very close to you.
Why are you behaving like a small kid? Are you sad because I went with my dad? If I hadn't taken him with me, he would have felt sad.
It's going to hurt you if your father feels sad. And what about my feelings? You don't care at all.
What is this? Why would you think like that? What are you lacking over here?
No, what am I lacking over here? I'm very happy. Wake up in the morning, go to the kitchen, cook something, serve you food, eat that. But I'm not supposed to talk about my desires. That is how a wife should be. And that is a woman.
Sleep. Don't talk anymore. Turn this side. Look at me. Sweetheart, don't be angry. Okay. Why did you not bring your wife? Look at this. You guys have come here like bachelors. Where are your wives?
They are all very busy. General body, local meeting, state meeting, etc. and all.
He is in excitement that he has got a new family. Doesn't matter what time it is, he is going to come here.
Balan. Dad, it's Balan. Come Bala. Why did you not bring Usha and mother?
You know her nature,
Please
right?
come in. Please come.
Hello.
Welcome.
Oh, everyone have arrived. Let's not delay it. Let's start the celebration.
Huh.
Come, please come. Come.
Dad, let's begin.
Start the ritual.
Come, Mom. You do it.
No, let her do it.
Yes, only the people who are fortunate should do this.
Oh, will you keep quiet? When good things are happening, why are you pulling her leg?
Mom, please come.
No, it's okay.
Please come.
Go, she's calling, right?
Oh my lord.
Oh, I think it's time for me to leave.
Even today you need to go to bank.
The staffs are really useless. Once I reach the bank, I will get to know about the problems. Mom, I'll take a leave. See you, everyone. Dad, make sure there's no cat fight in the house.
Hello.
Sorry, we got late. We had an executive meeting. By the by, who's that old people sitting there? Oh, he's my father. The one who is fat is my husband's father. Oh.
All these old people are waste. Dispose them off as soon as possible.
Please come.
Come.
Look at the way they are staring at us.
Who are these people? They all are our neighbors.
Looking at their looks and style, I think they seem to be troublesome.
Be quiet, they might hear.
Okay.
What is this? Though the house looked small from outside, we thought it would be beautiful. But after coming to the kitchen, we lost all the impression.
Yeah, there is no enough space to turn around.
During recent trend, a kitchen without utility area is hard to imagine. Ayyo, it's horrible.
When you come to see this house, didn't you observe all these things?
Actually, I didn't come here. My husband and his father came to see.
Never mind, Manju. After a few days, demolish this and build a new house.
What kind of a person is your husband? Will he listen to you? Will he take your opinions to all the decisions to be made?
Face is the index of the mind, right?
It's not like that. For all the things, I'll definitely give my suggestions. But
And final decision will always be his. That's the truth.
not like that.
Look at me, Manju. This is not only your problem. The wife is more dominated. It is common in every house.
Women should be united. That's the only solution for this problem.
All like-minded women should be together. To address all these kind of issues, we have Women Equality Association. Men and women are equal. That is our motto.
Ganga, you please give her
Oh,
our
yeah.
brochure. Manju, when you have some time, please pay attention and read this. This is interesting and thrilling too.
Manju, from today, you don't think that you are alone. You can call us for any help and at any time. We are all there for you.
By the way, Manju, next month's meeting is in my home. You should definitely come, okay?
Saturday, it's 23rd.
Don't forget the date.
Okay, darling. See you.
Bye.
Bye, Manju.
Bye, Manju. She's a very cute girl, right?
Yes, she is.
Women is not men's slave. She is brave enough. Cooking and serving is not alone women's job. If anything happens to women, we will surely fight for it.
Come on. I didn't know you were such a kid.
Try to understand, Willie. I just went to the meeting out of curiosity and they asked about higher officer. And to my bad time, I said he is problematic. That's it.
But they have thrown a net and they're waiting for me, right?
Oh, how will I know that they are feminist?
Speaking like a feminist is just fooling people. Just because they didn't get a man's love, they are just showing their frustration. First they start cursing the men, then the whole world will show their anger towards the men they think. To fall in love, I'm a man here and I'm ready for all those things. Why are you joining in this kind of shit?
Yeah. Even I'll be seeing you only once or twice in a year. If you disappear here, then you will appear only in Dubai.
You are speaking as if I'm going on a round trip. I'm just going for a survivor purpose. In a 5-star hotel, they've asked for a swimming coach, that's all.
In that case, you do one thing. You complete all these works and then you can come and meet me.
Hey, you got angry for that. I was just joking around, that's all.
You know they are waiting for me in the meeting.
Going is all fine. Don't sign any papers, that's all.
Haha, okay.
Why isn't Manju here yet?
She will come. She will definitely come.
We have already told everything and explained it, right?
She's an educated girl with worldly knowledge. She'll definitely come.
If we get to know that males are dominating, at least in the house or even in the office, We are not going to tolerate it. We are supposed to react to it very immediately. None of us are supposed to step back from this decision. We expect you to cooperate in all possible ways to this. Hey woman, what do you say, Ganga Devi?
Hey, see, Manju is here.
Manju, come. Why are you standing here? Come inside. Come.
Oh, hi.
Welcome to Women Equality Association.
Are heartily welcome. Thank you.
I'm so happy.
Thank you.
Come, please come.
Please come. Let's discuss about the important thing.
This Nirosha's issue is becoming bigger and bigger.
What can we do if you just say that? She should write a complaint and give.
Huh?
Ma'am, please give me some more time.
Just by hearing Govinda Kutti's name, she's shivering.
The warrior who fears in the battlefield will be defeated and also be killed.
Which Govinda Kutti are you talking about?
The bank manager where Nirosha works. He is a womanizer. His name is Govinda Kutti.
Please sit. Why are you so hurry?
I don't have time. My husband will come home.
Why are you so scared of your husband, Manju?
Yes,
Sit.
sit.
Are you scared he will hit you?
We'll kill him. A drop of tears comes from Manju's eyes. We all will kill him.
Listen to me, Manju. Now we are not alone. We all of us are together.
Yes.
Manju, you did not tell your husband's name.
Govindan Kutti. Oh. The same person you were talking about.
Huh? What are you doing over here?
I came to visit my friend.
Okay, come and sit. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, so that person is this person. Now it's all easy. We don't have to go and search for him.
Yes. The prey has come to the trap by itself.
No time to waste. Attack! Can we come inside?
Huh? Are you shameless? You're here again. Huh?
We don't accept the defeat easily.
Until and unless we get justice to this girl's issue, we will not accept our defeat.
You're a government staff, right? Are you not ashamed to be roaming with these jobless people in this town? Come to the bank tomorrow. Let's have a conversation alone.
You always want to speak to women when she is alone.
If I want to have a conversation alone or in a group, I'll be the one who decides it. You guys, please leave from here.
What happened? Oh, wait. Listen to me. Let them go.
What are you doing over here? Go and prepare tea. Just go.
Look, this tea can be prepared by adding little milk, sugar, tea powder, by boiling them together. But it is not written anywhere that only women can prepare the tea.
Oh, so you guys are here to teach me how to prepare a tea.
Not only tea. We will teach you all other lessons which you don't know. Then only we are leaving from here.
You know Women Equality Association? She is the executive member there, Nirosha. We heard you're torturing her every day in your bank.
I won't torture her. I only teach her how to sing a song. Government pays us salary for the work we do, not for chatting over the phone. Look at the dress code of this government employee. It is okay for the Miss Femina catwalk competition. Che, look at the reservation counter at any railway station. There will be a long queue for the tickets, but the one issuing the tickets will always be a woman. The feminist group does not need to work hard, only harassment to get the government job.
Your mother is also a woman.
Yes, I did not say no to it, but I really don't want to compare you dogs with my mother.
What did you say? Are we dogs?
Not just a normal dog, a rabies dog.
Yeah.
Rabies dog.
Hey, you don't know about us. If a girl gives a written complaint, there will be no inquiries, direct jail.
There is no need of any proof. Just one word by a woman is enough for you.
I know about it. I know you have blackmailed big people using the names of chocolate and ice creams. Many politicians hang out with you guys just to get votes. If you have won the elections too, don't you dare to play those games with me.
What will you do if we do that?
Should I show what I can do? Wait a minute, I'll show it to you.
Let's go, run.
Oh, you are the real man, sir. Seriously, today I'm telling you this.
Vasundhara ran like one horse. Usain Bolt only would have lost in front of her.
If you run like this, you'll beat Usain Bolt only. He is only running on synthetic tracks, right?
If not, jumping a 4 feet compound is not a small
At
deal,
the
right?
small age only, she was expert in jumping the walls.
Hey!
But still, I missed to see that scene.
By the way, Thambi sir, I really appreciate your courage. Sir, on what behalf are you staying with that wife of yours in the same house? A lion's den is safer than this one.
You got this job in your father-in-law's money only, right? Then it will be like that only.
Our wives are running only after seeing Govinda Kutti's wife, right?
You said it right.
Did she say anything to you?
Hey, she does not take it as a serious matter. Moreover, whatever I say is ultimate for her. I decide everything. That is her mentality. What I don't understand is Nirosha's issue. Till yesterday she was behaving like an innocent cat. In just one day, she changed a lot.
She has only executed. All plans are done by our wives.
Whoever thought her, she should not have done that.
Govinda Kutti sir, why don't you give a quotation for this?
Whatever it may be, they need one shock treatment. If simply you let her off, then later on she will sit on your head.
Be ready with your next plan. We are all ready for it. What do you say, guys?
What is this? Are you not done with washing yet? By the way, do you need my help?
No, thank you so much. I don't want to get beaten up from you.
Oh, that is the matter. You did not like it when I chased your friends outside, right? Isn't it?
Why don't you have a good opinion and angry about all the women? You're totally filled with poison. God, how do I show my face in front of those women?
Good woman.
You did not like this point. That husband should help the wife in household works. That's it, right? If you wanted someone to do your household works, why did you have to get married to me and bring me? You could have brought a maid instead.
Listen to me, dear. In order to please me or keep me happy, or else in order to do the household work, I did not marry you. I needed someone in my life to share my feelings. It could be small or big. That is how I see you.
But I don't see anything of that. I'm having a lesser position than a maid in this house actually. Remember, I did not come here with empty hands.
Yes. With your father Gangadhar's money, I purchased this bungalow and an Audi car and enjoying it. This is not only your problem. All the womenkind are like this. They'll bring little money from their parents. They'll hold account for every penny in their parents' money. With your husband's money, you'll go to all the clothes shop, jewelry shop and do the shopping. There's no account and value to that money. Till yesterday, there was no differences between me and you in this house. But now, even that happened. It's good.
Dad? I have a doubt. Do I belong to you or mother? Or else both of you?
What?
Please count before you leave.
Hey, you idiot lady! What is this?
This is just a notice. If you take a loan and don't pay on time, then you will get a notice.
You should have checked it before sending the notice.
Sir, this is a small mistake. That is,
For you, it is a very small mistake. For my daughter's wedding, I have pledged my own house documents and got the loan. And I have cleared it also. Now we are sending notice. If the records are inside the bank, you have sent me the false notice.
Sir, please, I'm sorry.
Because of your mistake, I look like a criminal. My daughter also got insulted very badly. Now she is suffering in the hospital.
Please leave me.
What are you doing?
Sir, it's you. How come you are here?
I'm the manager here. What is your problem?
The loan has already been cleared. She sent a false notice. My daughter has consumed poison because of this.
Sir, you are like one god to me. If something happens to his daughter, then I'm going to kill her. I'm leaving you because of sir. Let's go.
Hey, take this and leave.
Oh God!
This bank had good reputation till today. Now Gundas are coming inside because of you. If this happens again, I'll dismiss you myself. What are you doing, man?
Nothing, sir.
Go and mind your business.
What is this girl?
Nowadays, that fellow is crossing his limits. Till today, he was harassing her alone in the bank. And today, he's brought some men as well. We should not accept this.
This is definitely a pre-planned one. It's a well-rehearsed drama. Otherwise, how can he be there at that time?
He wants to prove that a rowdy himself is scared of him. He's that kind of a don.
Look, if you don't sign this complaint, you will definitely be killed by this guy one or the other day.
Ayyo, ma'am, giving such a complaint is not correct. I feel it is too much.
This is a problem. She's not strong enough. If the complaint is supported by 10 to 50 people, it can be easily lodged in Women's Commission. Please write the complaint.
During the lunch hour, I went to the washroom. All of a sudden, Govindan Kutti appeared there. And suddenly he hugged me. I tried a lot to escape, but I couldn't move. And then he raped me.
Hey, please come here. Sign here. Over the generations, women were harassed, but now we are taking a revolutionary step against it. Is it not a good news?
Yes. Congrats.
Hey,
what
what
happened? What happened? Oh, shit. What happened?
Why did the power go now? Yashoda, can you call the EB office now?
Okay. They have disconnected the receiver.
God.
They always do the same thing.
Then Sizzly, call your husband.
Ayyo, what is this? Are you not ashamed to call him? You always say women equality and 50-50, but now what?
I don't think it's wrong to call him today. We can't sleep without electricity.
Not required. We'll not run behind anybody. If you all help hold the ladder, that's enough. I will manage to fix the fuse.
Careful, be careful. Be careful.
Yeah.
Is it ready? Oh my God! Run!
Please help me!
Fire force is coming! Dad, what happened? You look a bit upset today.
One more register letter has come. Manju received it. Since then, she's sitting inside and locked the room. She didn't come out.
What letter?
Today she has not taken a drop of water.
I asked her many times. If she says something, I can understand, right?
We don't know what happened.
What is your new problem today? What is this? Oh, is that it? Were you upset for this thing?
Is it a small thing? You cannot ignore this. This is not a small thing at all. It's a summons from Women's Commission. Your staff has given the complaint.
I know about it. She has given a complaint and they've sent me the summons for the inquiry. That's all. If I go there personally and clarify the matter, the case will be dismissed.
How is that possible? The case is about rape attempt now.
It is absolutely a fake complaint and I will prove it.
Is it a fake complaint? How can an unmarried girl lodge a complaint that she was tried to rape?
Listen to me. Nowadays, in spite of trusting me or trusting your cheap friends, isn't it? Don't behave like them, please.
Tomorrow this is going to come in newspapers and also in TV channels. Then?
Let the newspaper or channel publish whatever they want. I don't care about it. But you're not trusting me and it hurts.
Hereafter, how can I face everyone?
Oh, now that is your problem. How can you face everyone? How can you leave? In situations like this, instead of supporting your husband, you're thinking about your own problems. Listen to me, Manju.
You please don't touch me.
Attacking. By using criminal techniques, harming a lady, it is really a heinous act. IPC 354. Oh, you need to study this much to tell this one. Don't take law in your hand.
She must be brave for her age, but she does not have the courage to lodge a complaint against me.
It is there. Women who speak about equality is there in only poems, that's all. You can't find them here.
We don't know what could be the reason for this sudden act. We must know it.
The issue was prevailing before itself. After that, old man and a rowdy entered the bank and quarreled with Nirosha.
He has committed a mistake. What will you do?
Not just that, that rowdy guy, after looking at me, respectfully dropped his knife. That is enough to doubt.
It's a good thing they have come. If not, I would have given a quotation.
Enough. By the way, I am not able to understand Manju's stand over here. When there is a problem, she is not at all supporting you.
Now we don't really need their support. I will finish this case very easily. I will show who the advocate Anandan is. These days we have suffered physically and mentally very much. I will tell everything in the court and I will take the revenge. You have not seen my strengths inside the court. Case will take a turn. It will change its face. Treachery. Misleading court by telling false statements. IPC 193. Nirosha will go to the jail. The equality women will run there and here. Even a grass won't grow where they are. Govinda Kutti, sign here. This is a question of my respect. Everybody has been thinking that I'm a foolish lawyer who roams around the court. I will show them what Ananda Kutti can do this time, including Yashoda also.
Sir?
What is it, man? We are discussing something serious.
Sir,
Can't you
4
see?
females have come to see you regarding a case.
Hey.
If you leave me, then I won't be alive. Will you try to cheat me?
Hey, don't be silly. Why are you talking like this?
Whenever I try to talk about marriage, you try to ignore it. Don't think that I'm stupid.
This is a difference between man and woman. You girls will always be in dreamland only. But we men are not like that. Very practical. After marrying you, I don't want you to stay in a rented house or somewhere else. If I want you to stay in big house, like a queen.
I don't think a King Wilfred is a beggar now.
Hey, come on, Nirosha. Crores can be earned in business. But we can't withdraw that money. But for this Dubai project for me, I need 80 lakh rupees minimum. Otherwise, I will lose the amount that I've already invested.
What will I do if you tell all these things to me?
Your bank does multiple crores of turnovers, right? If you can just give me some amount of money in that.
You mean?
It is just a simple adjustment. My 2 crore rupees will not be at loss. Within 2 months, I'll get it back, including interest also. Don't you believe me?
Hey, please stop. It's not as simple as you make it seem. You don't know anything about Govindan Kutti.
Then, will they go and count the money every single day? You maintain the accounts properly. That person will trust only the computers.
However, you are planning so many things with me.
In our universe, only me and you. It has been so long that we have been dreaming this. Shouldn't we live the life we dreamt?
Yes. I don't want to lose you at all. For your dream and success, I will do anything.
Oh my goodness, he's not a human at all. How can he try to rape a woman who works with him?
I never expected that he will be crooked to this extent.
I don't take this issue as a big thing because all the men are same only.
Whatever it is, Manju, you're the one who loves him more than your life. I'm actually not able to understand how you're bearing all this.
That's true. No other woman can bear this. But how Manju is facing this, we really don't know.
It's all her husband's wish. She don't do anything without his consent.
There is no point in discussing. She has already given birth to his child, isn't it?
If only I were at this position, I would have ended this relationship right away.
Whatever happened is happened. According to me, there is only one solution for this issue. You have to stand on your own. For that, you need a job. It is not difficult to get a job for a postgraduate.
It's not that I don't want to go for a job. Listen to me, Manju. If we are independent and doing something on our own, we don't have to fear anybody at all. It is shameful only when we are dependent and ask them money for everything. We'll not be able to talk at all.
From now onwards, hunting job is not only Manju's problem. Don't worry, Manju. It is also our problem and responsibility. Please sign on this membership form.
What's there to think about this, Manju? Please sign the form. Please.
Come on.
Congratulations.
This is for you from my first salary.
Oh, thanks.
Mom,
Oh,
this is for you, Appu.
Thank you. Hi.
oh, superb. Nice.
Manju, you have opened my eyes. I'm an old man. Even my thoughts are old. You're the one who opened my eyes. Truth be told to you, we men are really narrow-minded. After getting married to a girl, we only see if she's eating or sleeping. On top of that, we hardly care about what she's feeling in her heart. Till the age of 18, you were at a place. You were pampered by your parents and you were truly looked after. All of a sudden, you need to leave it and enter a new house. Her parents would be constantly thinking about her and truly missed her a lot. In the same way, your parents are old and you would be perpetually thinking about them. On top of that, you are looking after my parents with love and affection.
Usually, everyone does the same.
Hey, that is not right, isn't it? We have to switch our positions. What do you say?
Huh?
We'll go to your place today itself. We'll stay at your place for 15 days in a month. You can stay with your parents and make them very happy. That is a very good opportunity for you. You can easily go to office because it is very nearby.
But it's going to be far for you.
Hey, it is not a big issue. I will somehow manage it. I do have some leaves left with me.
Then what about our son?
Let him be here only. I'll bring him in the weekends, no worries. In fact, you also have a vehicle. So let us not waste the time. Get ready, get ready.
Okay. Bye.
Huh?
Hey, what is this?
Stop this.
Huh?
Don't you think it is too much?
There's nothing wrong in it. Tell me if there's anything left. Listen, I'm not a stranger here. I married your daughter in front of this whole town and I'm your son-in-law.
It's enough, man. Why are you doing all these dramas? It's torturing to see you like this.
Geeta's life is also spoiled. You are the only hope for us. But if you people are behaving like this, listen, what's wrong with you people?
There's nothing wrong with me. It's your daughter. She does not like me. Not just me, even my family. Since we moved to that colony, she changed a lot. Even you saw that, right? The way she dresses and her style. It is not like earlier. The affection she had on me is now disappeared. She's not the same old Manju now. After getting acquainted with feminists over there. But now, she's not ready to accept me as her husband.
Manju, stop there. Tell me what is your problem.
Problem? What problem?
Listen, don't do such dramas in front of us. Since you have moved to that colony, you have completely changed. After mingling with such dirty females, you don't need a family and husband too, isn't it?
Dad, I am.
Enough. Govind and Kuti told us everything.
Oh, this is your problem. You don't trust your own daughter. You're trusting an outsider.
All our neighbors are anticipating that when you people are getting divorced.
There have to be a limit for pampering daughters. Sometimes they'll misuse our love and affection and do wrong things.
Listen, after marriage, you should stay in your husband's house.
Mom.
Stop. When are you going back? Enough of staying here.
Where are you going? Keep your dirty foot out of the gate. Leave.
Old man, get out of my way. I did not come here to talk to you. I want to talk to Manju. Got it?
Enough of seeing her, you got it? Manju was such a self-disciplined and obedient girl. You completely corrupted her mind. You spoiled such a nice family. Hereafter, I don't want to see you in this house.
Hey, old man, be very careful while talking to me. Do you even know who I am? I'm local SI's wife.
Are you his wife or else is he your wife?
Look, don't make me remove my slippers now.
Why you only want to remove your slippers? You can remove everything,
Hey,
whatever
what
you
is
want. Your entire family is like that. In the name of woman equality, all you females come early in the morning with all the makeups to spoil our families. I think you have not seen genuine men. If I slap you,
What, man? How dare you say that?
if I slap you, my hand will get dirty. Don't you remember that day my son had chased you away from here? Once again, without any
Please
shame, you have
stop
come
this.
here. Get out from here. It will be good if you show all these dramas in front of your husband. Better you take shower with Pear soap after going to home and remove all the dirt from your stinking body.
Madam? Madam!
By the way, Keshav Master, why would you mention about the dog and mislead me completely? The dog is very friendly.
That is right.
When I was coming here, it was only looking at me, that's it.
That is why this guy is very clever than that guy. If this goes inside, then he will sleep off 8 hours without any conscience. Yes. Thanks to Braveridge Corporation, if liquor prohibition is implemented, then I will be for no use.
Let it be. Why have you kept this here?
To feed the dog at the proper time. It should not be delayed even for 5 minutes. Then we cannot control it.
No, boss. Will your wife come here anytime?
Her mother is not feeling well. She'll be coming tomorrow morning.
Oh, is it? Then we can have fun and enjoy a lot.
Sure we will.
That Thambi Xavier should have been here.
Yesterday also I saw 2 police people visited your house. What is the matter?
Women's Commission. Now I'm used to it.
Listen to me, sir. If you keep listening to this stupid lawyer, then your life will only get spoiled. For time being, it's better you compromise with her. Somehow you try to convince her and make her stand next to you. First let her withdraw the complaint. Later on we'll do something.
Oh, now it has become like that, right? Then you can do whatever you want. I'll leave.
Don't be upset. Sit down.
Now it is the right time for feeding. I'll go.
Yes, boss. Can I drink a bit? I don't have a baby to feed the milk. I didn't give that to Yashoda also. Let me do that to a dog at least. Yes.
Careful.
Hey, don't break any glass. Otherwise she's going to kill me.
Hey, Deepak, come here. Come drink the milk.
The girl frequently changes her attitude. If she commits a mistake in front of a customer, I get very angry. I can't control it.
Hey, don't do such things in bank.
But then?
You call her and meet her in her house. It's better you step in and take the initiative. Be practical. I think it's woke up. Oh God, what happened?
Master, instead of feeding the dog, he's drinking it. Look at his drinking style.
Oh God, how will I go out today?
Look at the way he's drinking.
I don't have any enmity with Govinda Kuti. I haven't seen that man in my life. Why would I do that?
Then why should I not take the keys back?
Oh, stupid girl. Changing him is not our aim, literally. All we need is money. Till we get the money from your bank, he should not stay at one place at all. He should keep on roaming the places. Police station, court, the other place, again police station. Make sure that he doesn't get time to stay in the bank at all.
Huh? It's Govindan Kutti.
Oh my god. He lives forever, I guess. Answer the call.
Hello?
Nirosha, I called because I wanted to have a straight conversation with you.
Why not? If you're okay, then come to my villa tomorrow evening at sharp 4 o'clock, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
So, now the ball is in your court. Be practical. Don't kill him in one shot. Try to play as much as possible. Take it slow and steadily.
Enough, Willy. It's getting late. It's time for Govindan Kutti to come.
You told me that there will be a surprise?
Surprise? Huh, that is there.
Tja, stop kidding. Since morning you're doing the same thing.
Sorry, dear. Are you desperate? Then close your eyes. Like this. Now you can open your eyes.
Huh? Oh my god. Keeping money here is not good. I'll keep this with me. Then I'll transfer it to the joint account. It is going to be fine. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, you're on time. What, sir? You said that you want to talk to me urgently.
There's something. Can I come inside?
Why not?
I'm making frequent visits, Nirosha. Police station, women's commission, then court, then again police station.
Sir,
There's been a mistake. I was angry at that moment and I shouldn't have done that. It is human nature to make a mistake.
Sir, you have all the rights to scold me, but not in front of customers. I feel ashamed.
Nirosha, don't cry. Che, I did not say anything to upset you. Don't cry, calm down. Don't cry, Nirosha.
Hello. What did you do to this girl, man?
Ma'am, it's nothing. Sir wanted to...
You don't speak a word. Because of your lenience, he is here now. It was difficult for you to sign on a complaint, right?
At last, look at him. He came to your house.
Madam, please listen to me. I did not come here to trouble her.
Then why did you come here when she was all alone? Especially when there is nobody at home?
Allow me to speak.
Don't speak anything now. Enough of listening to you. Look at you. You're not even accepting this now. We know everything about you. Call the police, dear.
Hey, why are they behaving like this? Nirosha, say something.
She doesn't have to say anything.
Hey,
What the Nirosha, we know what happened. You just cooperate with us, okay? We have to have a meeting.
Don't worry.
Otherwise, we will all
Sorry
respect
for you.
women.
Come.
You just shut up.
Get inside the vehicle.
Sir, I don't know anything. These people are framing me. It's a huge blunder.
Get into the vehicle first, Savitri. Give way. Come on, go aside.
Get inside, man.
Let's go, madam.
Why should I come?
For a small formality, medical checkup. We'll take a statement and then send you back.
They're calling you, right? Nothing to fear. We all are here, right? Listen to them. Just for formality's sake. Gange, you please go with her. She's scared. Please take care of her. Come, please go.
Don't worry, I'll be with you. Don't cry.
The police have arrested a bank manager who tried to rape his colleague. Mangala Cooperative Bank manager Govindan Kuti has tried to rape his colleague Nirosha and got arrested. He has also abused and harassed her at the workplace.
Mom,
he allegedly
Daddy's in
entered her
TV.
house when she was alone. Based on neighbors' report, the police
What
arrested
happened?
him on
Huh?
time and have taken into custody. She had also lodged a complaint to Women's Commission regarding the same issue 2 months ago. It's an irony that she is an executive member of Women's Equality Association. It's only because of the main members of the same association reached the spot on time, Nirosha is saved from death. Let's talk to the association president, Vasundhara.
The victim in this case, Nirosha, she is like a daughter only.
We have arrived on time. Otherwise, he would have killed her. But he's already raped her. Her entire life is spoiled now.
The victim, Nirosha, has now been taken to a medical examination. Madam, can you please tell the details of that report for our viewers?
Intercourse has happened and there is no doubt about it. And it doesn't look like it has happened for the first time. And it looks like it has happened
Mom.
to her many times before.
Don't go, Mom. Please, Mom, don't go.
What are you doing? Where are you going now?
Mom,
Where are you going now?
I'm leaving, Mom. After all this happening, I cannot live with that person here.
Listen, you should not go in this situation. This is definitely a trap.
Huh?
He has not done anything and he can't do such cheap things at all.
If it was a few days before, I wouldn't have had believed this. Even if he would have killed anybody, I would have accepted it. But this... shit!
Mom,
Manju.
please don't go, Mom. Please,
Manju.
don't go, Mom. Please, please listen to me. Don't go. Don't go, Mom. Please, please don't leave me, Mom. Don't go, Mom. Please,
Hey,
please
come.
listen to
Go.
me. Don't go. Grandpa, Mom is going. Mom.
Somehow we managed to get admission here. Until you get a better place, you can stay here.
Ah, yeah, let's go. Warden is actually waiting for us. Come, come.
Govindan Kuti Zindabad. Govindan Kuti Zindabad. Govindan Kuti Zindabad. Govindan Kuti Zindabad.
Oh, my son.
Zindabad. Govindan Kuti Zindabad. Govindan Kuti
Hey, start the
Zindabad.
car.
Govindan
Come,
Kuti
son.
Zindabad.
Come, Govind.
Yes, come.
Yes, come.
Hey,
Come,
give
get
way,
in.
man.
Get inside.
Come on, get in, get in.
Yeah, I will drive. Govindan Kuti Zindabad. Govindan Kuti Zindabad.
Why it is happening for you only? I told you that day itself to keep your revolutionary thoughts at home only.
Why are you making him sad with your words? These are the consequences when few females do wrong things. You need to understand.
We would have not come to this house at all. We lost our peaceful life.
Everything will be fine, Mom. Your son did not commit any mistake. Truth wins.
Then we will leave. Okay, see you later.
Okay.
Come, let's go.
Okay.
Come. Take this.
What is it? Is it a letter from her?
No. It is a notice sent by her lawyer. Divorce notice.
Oh my god.
So the matter has reached to such extent.
Dad, what is divorce notice?
You won't understand if I explain it now.
I will give all the credit of this dramatic achievement to none other than Mrs. Manju. And it will be unfair from the part of the company if we don't reciprocate the hard work she has put in. The hard work of Mrs. Manju and her sincerity is unmeasurable. So, with all your permission, dear board members, from now onwards, I have promoted Mrs. Manju to GM operations of our company. So, that's all for the board meeting for today. Meeting dispersed, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, Manju. 1 minute, please sit down. Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Mrs. Manju, I forgot to tell you. Next Wednesday, I have to go to Munnar. Purely official. Manju should come along with me. You got me right? And before we leave, the project report should be ready.
Sir, I have just done the preliminary outlook of that.
No. It's not enough. By tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., it should be ready on my table. Okay? Manju, do you have any problem with that?
Sir, but the warden is strict.
Oh, is it Miss Janaki? I will talk to her. She's our person.
Okay, sir.
Where's Appu, Mom?
He's sleeping since he's back. He's not eaten anything.
Why? Is he not hungry?
He's suffering and missing his mother a lot. Poor chap. We really don't know how to convince him. On top of it, classmates in the school are teasing him a lot. What can he do? All this is our fate.
Since he's back from school, he's crying a lot to see his mother. He's really worried a lot. He cried for some time. Then he slept.
You do one thing. You take me and your son to the hostel where she's staying. You be inside the car and I will take him and show his mother.
Okay, Dad.
You two stay here. I'll inquire.
Usually she will be here before 6 o'clock. Today her office MD called and told that she will be late. Since they got some project work to be finished.
Okay, madam. In that case, I will go there and check out. Don't know whether we can see her or not. Got scared? Please, Manju, I want to tell you something. I got an idea. Tonight, we will stay here, okay?
No, sir, you have taken me wrong.
Yes?
I'm not such kind of a girl.
Come on. Do you think I'm a such guy? Haven't you heard? Opportunity makes a thief. If opportunity comes in right time, everyone will steal. Shall I believe that it's a golden opportunity given to us by the God? Please cooperate.
Please leave me.
Mrs. Manju, this is cheating.
I didn't cheat you, sir.
What you mean? All the terms and conditions have been fixed and everything has been discussed with Vasundhara. Is it clear?
In that case, you please go and talk to her. Sir, please leave me.
I'm very scared, sister.
Why are you scared, dear? Could be some digestion problem.
It could be something else.
In that case, we'll be saved. From today onwards, Govind and Kutti will bear all our expenditures. Poor girl.
Nirosha? Congratulations. The result is positive.
Sorry, Nirosha. I can't meet you now. I'm driving down to the airport. I'll call you back.
Che. Billy! Billy!
Tell me, Nirosha,
Sir, I want to meet you.
is it a new trap?
No, sir, I want to talk to you.
In case if it's a new trap, I'm really not scared about it. There's nothing to lose anymore. Why should I be scared? There's no point. Tell me, where should I come?
Come to my villa, sharp 2.
Are you Mr. Govindakutti?
Yes. How do you know?
What are you saying? You have become a hero in one day. All news and media are talking about you only. How will I not know about you?
Sir, you're already here.
Yes.
Oh well, you both were rivals recently. Did you become friends again?
Yeah. We're gonna get married soon. Please do come to our marriage.
Oh, this generation is unpredictable.
You wanted to say something,
Please
right?
come. Let's sit inside.
No, not at all. I'm an accused and you are a victim in a major rape case. Let us be here only. Tell me what it is.
It would be difficult for you to believe whatever I say now. But for God's sake, believe it. I'm expecting police arrival at any time. I'm ready to surrender. But before that, I want to confess everything to you. I'm not even eligible to ask apology. I was a puppet and played to the tune of other people.
Where do you think they are right now? Actually, we both are suffering right now. It is all because of them. You ruined your life, including mine. I lost my job. My relationship with my wife is at stake.
Please don't worry about it. I will talk and convince her. It is my responsibility to bring her back to you before I go to police.
You are confessing your mistakes and you have the heart to accept them. That is enough.
What's it, Nirosha?
Govindakutti sir came to see me here.
Did he come and plead you to forgive him and to take the case back?
Pleading is correct, but I did that to him. Govindakutti sir is innocent. Till now, he has not even touched me at all.
Huh?
All these women misleaded me. On that day, Govindakutti sir just came here to talk to me. But he was trapped. Not only that, 50 lakhs from Cooperative Bank.
A lawyer. Always we can't keep on fooling the people.
Many cases are there. One is theft case. A sincere government official can be put into the jail on a false case. That is different. Anyway, to come out, it takes a lot of time. Brother, if you get them pregnant, is there any case?
There is no separate case for it, but you will get a free gift for it. One small baby.
The bank employee has been shot dead and the body has been found in her residence and has been identified as Nirosha. After getting the message from an anonymous call, the police has reached the crime site by evening 5 o'clock, which is located in Vijayanagar. They broke the door and got inside for investigation purposes. According to the first information report, due to some wedges, the murder has been taken place. Nirosha's neighbor is on live to talk to us named Vijay Lakshmi.
It was around 4 p.m. in the evening. I saw Govinda Kuti standing near the gate here. After some time, he also came back. He was standing and talking there for a while. Then I came back to my house. How can I imagine that he came to kill her?
What is this going, sir?
Someone has trapped you in this matter, Govinda Kuti.
Yes.
Sir, I'm really very unfortunate. This murder case was pending and I'm stuck with this, sir.
Why are you being scared? This grandmother evidence cannot be taken into account. 80 lakh rupees of forgery and Wilfred's wrong relationship. You are safe only.
It's Thambi.
Ask him what.
Hello.
Ask Govinda Koti to be absconded. Police searching him.
Okay.
I'll call you later.
What did he say?
Police are searching him. He has told him to get absconded for some time. Come, let's go.
Is there any problem?
There's no time to talk now. Come,
Yes,
let's go.
Okay, come, let's go.
Oh my God. Hello, sir.
Everyone is here. Come, Govinda Kuti. Get inside the vehicle.
No, sir, no.
Sir.
Hey, put him inside the vehicle.
Sir.
Go.
Sir.
No.
Sir, he's not done anything, sir. Please leave him.
Sir, the issue. Sir, going Kuti, don't be scared. Sir, I have a brother also.
Nothing doing.
Sir.
We are so proud today because it is the happiest day for all the women in our town today. So far, we were in peace, joyful and playful in this Janamaitri Nagar. Since the Govinda Kuti beast has come to this town, everything has been changed. He's been taking different avatar in different roles.
When we saw that person in the beginning, we thought he was very innocent. But he doesn't know to respect women. Not just that, he sees women in a wrong way. He tortures the women. Now we got to know he is also a brutal murderer. To live with this brutal murderer in the same colony, is it really safe for us? We have to think about it. I'm really scared to live in the same colony with him. Dear ladies, we shall approach the government to hang this person.
There is a happy news for you. Last time you had a complaint, right? That I didn't take you to see Govinda Kuti at station. Now we can go and see him. Come see him and be happy. Come.
Go.
Not here. Backside.
Zindabad to the Women Association Equality. Murdabad to the Govinda Kuti.
Zindabad to the Women Association Equality.
Please release Vasundhara.
Please release Vasundhara.
Policemen down.
Policeman down.
Justice for women.
Justice for women.
Police down.
Police down.
Police down.
Police down.
Can we meet them now? You can't meet them now. SI is calling you. You guys can also come.
Come.
My son is suffering a lot. Poor fellow. He's not done anything.
Will you stop crying, Lakshmi? Inspector Thambi is there. He will take care of everything. Everybody are here. All Janamaitri colony people are here. Welcome. Please sit down. Ayyo, there is no sufficient chairs. In that case, please stand in a line. Vasundhara came to see murderer Govinda Kuti. Why are you here? Whom do you want to see? You people are very much aware of Nirosha's murder, right? In that business, what is your gain? Tell me. Without any purpose, no one will kill anyone. Nirosha was very beautiful. Cicely was jealous on her. Yashoda was eyeing on her properties, isn't it? Ganga Devi, you had a crush on her boyfriend. And then Vasundhara, for her association's sake, was searching for a scapegoat. I know all these things, but why you people killed her?
We've not done anything, sir. It's not us.
Then it is not you. Oh my goodness. I doubted you all. Please come this side. Come, hurry up. They said they have not done anything. That means it must be you.
What you want is inside the car. You can come. What are you doing? Please forgive me, sir. Even in my dreams, I haven't dreamed like that, sir. Please, sir.
Then it must be Kesavan. What Kesavan? I didn't expect this from you. At this old age, these small girls are your weakness.
No, Tambi. How
Shut
can
up.
I do?
I just Tambe. Velu Tambe. Yes, I Velu Tambe. What will you tell, Mr. Lawyer? Tell me which section.
IPC 302.
Then rape.
IPC 376.
Now you people are clear with the sections, right? Now you tell me who, when, how, and why. No response. Then we will do one thing. Let us all have tea. Savitri.
Sir.
How is this design? You liked it? You know whose ring is this?
Oh my god.
Don't you remember the ring which I had put you on wedding day? Savitri.
Sir, tell me. Tell me. I know how to get the truth out of you.
Oh my god.
Tell me. Hey, tell me. Tell me now. Who killed her? Tell me. It's good if you tell the truth. Tell me now. Tell me who killed her.
I'll tell you. How long will you be hiding like this from Nirosha? You have to find a permanent solution for this problem. Terminate her. Better kill her.
50 lakhs from Cooperative Bank.
Where will you throw this body now?
You don't have to bother about that. You leave that to me. I'll take care about it. What has happened here? 50-50 equality. Here also you are showing the equality. See what you have done to fulfill all your lustful desires. This is not only your mistake. Any women after 40s, they are committing the same mistake. Extramarital relationship. Shame on you. But let me clear, all the women are not doing the same thing. There are women who are really good. To take a proper decision in this case, the person who helped us is also a woman.
All these women totally misleaded me. Once when Govindan Kuti sir came here to talk to me about everything, he was trapped to the case. 50 lakhs from the Cooperative Bank.
Nirosha? Hello?
Govinda Kutti's arrest was a plot. After seeing the accused getting arrested, they started enjoying. We started tapping all the telephone calls. And also, we have collected the fingerprint reports. Once we get the DNA report of the Nirosha's baby, we can come to a conclusion. Okay, wait. Where is the hero of our play?
Govindakutti. Sorry we troubled you a lot. Thanks for all the help. Come.
Is there anything left over, Thambi?
Official matters got over. Some family matters are pending.
Whatever you want to do it here itself. Otherwise, you can't do it. Then I'll leave now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See you.
Dad?
Oh, even you're here.
Listen, Govindakutti.
Yes.
By the time she comes out of jail, I will be retired. Then there is no use of repenting. So that is why I'm going to enjoy for some time.
Thambi sir, what about us?
Even you want to enjoy?
This is police station, right?
This is only place for beating, right?